Are you living in an RV, camper van, or another vehicle and wondering where you can sleep on the road other than Walmart? Well, you may have heard of the app iOverlander too, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to find endless spots to sleep no matter where you are in the country for free. Let's check it out. Once you're in the app iOverlander, you can filter for many different things, not just established campgrounds or free campgrounds, but you can look for hotels, you can look for propane, fuel stations, sanitation dumps, you can find water fills, showers, but how do you use it for free no matter where you are? So the first thing you'll need to do is go into download places. Since we're in North America, we'll go here, United States, and download Arizona. Now if I go to my places, I can see Arizona downloading, and then if I go to the map, and explore, I'll be able to see all the things that I've filtered for. Water, sanitation dump, free camping, and even showers. So we're gonna find a water fill to use in Arizona, but then after that, we're going to Mexico, and we need to be able to download a place there too. So if I go to download places, I can go to North America, and I wanna do Mexico. Downloading more isn't possible at your current subscription level. Downloads can be removed, or you could upgrade now. So if I go to my managed places, I can go in here and actually delete Arizona, confirm. So then I'll go to places again, and now I can download Mexico no problem. So by doing this, you can skip over the paywall in iOverlander 2 and continue to use it free no matter where you are in the world. And if you want to join us for the trip down to Mexico, make sure you subscribe to follow along. And now there's a ton of things on our map, so we can check out San Felipe, for example, and it looks like there's a ton of places here. Big space next to the gas station, behind town, viewpoint overlooking the bay, and you can see here people upload images of the place. As you can see, oh, it looks great. That's the benefit of iOverlander. Someone posted this on January 2nd. Make sure you have leveling blocks if you want to be level. I got one bar with my cell phone, a great view of sky for Starlink. So as you can see, we have a lot of places we can stay in Mexico, and it's easy as that. Delete the places you have in My Places, go into Places to download new ones, United States, Arizona, and now we're loading Arizona back into the map, and we'll be able to go and grab our water before our trip to Mexico. So make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along for the ride. Hope to see you on the road. And getting to a location is as easy as copying the coordinates from the iOverlander app and pasting them into your GPS. See you on the road.